This is going to be a quick video on how to shuck a Seagate Expansion external hard drive, okay? First, you're going to need some way to open the packaging. So it's going to be shrink wrapped. You just gotta cut this part and then rip that plastic off. You can save that plastic as a nice snack later. Open up the box. Take the external drive out of the box. Take the foam off of the external drive enclosure. Take the manual or warranty information and toss that in the trash or recycling. Take the enclosure out of this little plastic sleeve. Admire it for a bit. Place it on its logo side. Get some kind of pry tool. Go in from the side here. You want to also have some kind of thin plastic rigid card like a used gift card or an expired debit card, credit card. And what I like to do is go in from the side here, lift up, create a small gap, place that plastic card in that small gap. As best as you can, if you're able to. If you can't do it, oh, you're shit out of luck. But no, you got to do it. And then you got to start prying. Get those edges. Push that card in. And start going away at those plastic clips because those plastic clips need to break. They need to break, I tell you. Get. Okay, so now that you have your plastic card in there, go at it. Just keep on pushing in. Break those plastic clips. Those sounds that you hear, that's what you want to hear. Those are the plastic clips breaking. And you need to break them in order to get in. And after a few of them break, you'll have a consistent gap that you can keep on going back in. So even if you get your card out, if your card slips out, that's fine. You can just bring it back in and keep going at it. Just be careful, of course. You want to use quite a bit of force, but you don't want to use too much force that if you end up slipping, you end up hurting yourself by knocking your hand against the plastic enclosure. But you do want to be using quite a bit of force. This is not a elegant solution. If you want an elegant solution, just buy the bare drive. But after you have enough of it open, you can actually just start prying it or use a different tool. I want to pry it using my metal pry tool now. All right. Again, you want to hear that. Yes, the sound of the plastic clips breaking. And then once one of these sides is fully exposed, you can just shuck it like a clam. Like a clam shell. Come on. Open up. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Storage is for dinner tonight. Yes. Watch out for all the microplastics that may have... Yeah, there's a lot of plastic shavings on my mouse pad now. I'll clean that up later. But if you're using something plastic, watch out for that. You don't want to be breathing that in. But now that you have your drive, you can just remove the foil tape from it. Remove the foil tape. Okay, the foil tape is removed. Watch out for that ribbon cable. That is a controller board and the SATA adapter for the enclosure. There's a warranty void sticker. You can ignore that. Just pop this SATA adapter off. and you have your drive. You can also take this off, the warranty remove sticker, or warranty void if removed sticker, I should say. If this will focus, there we go. Whatever. Toss that sticker. That sticker is going to break no matter what you try to do with it, so don't even bother trying to take it off cleanly. It'll just come off. There will be 4 screws and these anti-vibration pads on them. Take those off. I like putting everything that came from the enclosure back into it. If you plan on keeping the enclosure, then this is the ideal solution. All right, and now you have your drive. How easy was that? A little cumbersome, and if you don't have the right tools, it will be frustrating. I will tell you that. It'll be frustrating to get this open, but as long as you maybe follow my example, you shouldn't have too much trouble getting this open. Yeah? That only took like 5 minutes, yeah? Good luck! Good luck with your shocking endeavors. I hope these work out for you, because I'm going to be using these in my personal server. How about you? Leave a comment down below. Goodbye for now. Good luck.